Did you know that practical skills are the key to unlocking innovation in engineering? It's true. Engineers who possess hands-on expertise pave the way for groundbreaking discoveries and advancements. By combining theory with practical knowledge, engineers are able to push the boundaries of what's possible. They can turn concepts into reality and transform ideas into tangible solutions. Innovation starts here, in the minds of engineers who value hands-on experience. These practical skills provide the foundation for problem-solving, critical thinking, and creativity. Through experimentation and prototyping, engineers refine their designs, learning from both successes and failures. It's all part of the journey towards innovation. Practical skills also enhance communication and collaboration. Engineers who can effectively express and illustrate their ideas can inspire others and bring about meaningful change. Whether it's building robots, designing sustainable infrastructure, or developing life-saving technologies, practical skills empower engineers to create a better future for all of us. So, let's celebrate the power of practical skills in engineering. Let's embrace the hands-on approach that leads to innovation. Together, we can unleash a world of possibilities.